The turbocharged 2-liter in the Focus ST makes a lot of power for its small displacement, but that also comes with the negative side effect of oil blow-by in the PCV system. JLT has you covered with their front catch can system to keep the oil contamination out of your engine's intake track and to protect your engine from unwanted oil sludge over time. Starting the install, remove the engine cover for access to the intake manifold. We must remove it to get to the PCV valve, so start removing all of the bolts along the edge of the intake runners. Next, disconnect the two sensors on the manifold itself before being able to remove the manifold from the cylinder head. For more wiggle room, we unclip the harness from the top of the manifold. Now reach under the intake runners by the throttle body and depress the tab on the clip of the manifold PCV line to disconnect it. Now that the PCV line is off of the manifold, loosen the band clamp on the coupler and unplug the throttle body connector to be able to take the manifold completely out of the way. On the cylinder head, you can see the green PCV valve and its molded hose. We used a razor blade to slit the black hose to be able to slide it off the PCV connector. On the factory hose, also trim off the manifold connector so that we can attach it to the hose provided by JLT. Now take the check valve hose and attach it to the green PCV valve on the engine, then route it around the manifold. While replacing the manifold, clip in the throttle body connection and reattach the coupler on the manifold to the charge pipe. Clip on the clean side PCV hose to the fitting, then reinstall the manifold to the cylinder head by torquing the bolts to 14 foot-pounds from the center outwards. Plug in the two connections to the intake manifold, then reattach the harness clips to the top of the manifold. Set up the catch can by attaching the mounting bracket to the top of the can with the two screws. Connect the hoses to the can with the PCV valve hose on the T side of the can and the manifold hose on the J side of the can. Some grease or oil on the fittings will help the hoses slide on easier. The can and bracket assembly will bolt to the hood latch shown here. And with that, the JLT catch can install is completed. Click the link in the description to check out this product for yourself. Our website has all of the performance parts you need for the Focus ST, so head on over to stage3motorsports.com to check it all out.